Hello friends, I am Tarun Goyal, a CAT 98.94 percentiler, currently studying at IIM Kashipur. I am here to share some tips and tricks for the CAT QA section. As a non-engineer, I was really feared about quants, but with the right strategy and planning, I ended up scoring the highest in this section. The three major strategies that I believe are really important to ace this section are: first is being selective. For quants, there is no end to syllabus as such, and the best way to deal with it is by knowing your strong and weak areas and doing practice in such a manner that you are able to solve the questions from your strong areas in under 2 to 3 minutes. And for rest of the topics, you should at least be knowing the concept. So if an easy question comes from that topic, you are actually able to do it. For me, arithmetic was my strongest part, and also it's the easiest topic present in the syllabus, so one can try to ace this section. The second strategy is being consistent. One should try to practice quants on a daily basis. Doing even 10 questions with a mix of topics and timer running helps one become comfortable solving questions from variety of topics under time pressure, which is really crucial for a pressurizing exam like CAT. The third and the most important strategy is mocks and sectional analysis. When analyzing a mock, one should try to analyze everything from time taken to solve a question to the order of questions one attempted. Doing so helps identify mistake patterns and also helps formulate the right strategy for D-Day. Another thing that really helps improve quant speed is that when analyzing a mock, try to solve each and every question again and try to see if any particular question could have been solved in a less time-taking manner. Thank you and all the best for the exam.